Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a drawstring or draw code using Adobe Illustrator. Okay guys, before we start, if you're new here in my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell. So let's start. So as you can see here, I have a flat illustration of a pants, and I wanted to put a drawstring same as this reference that we have here. So first up is don't forget to lock your reference image. So we will trace this and we will recreate this drawstring from this photo reference. So we will lock this um, uh, reference. So go to object and then lock. Okay, now using the pen tool, so we will just make the fill blank. Then the stroke we will just put, for now we will put red color, yes, so it can be more visible. So okay, let's start. So just click, then another click, then hold while holding your mouse or drag it slowly. You can also hold the shift key and just like that, then you can release the shift key, then slowly adjust the curve. Okay, then using the direct selection tool, click on this handle, then click once, hold, then drag carefully, then again go back to pen tool, make sure you click on the anchor or the end point of this line, then continue your station. Now click, hold, and you can adjust it by moving it slowly while holding your mouse and clicking it while holding and moving your mouse carefully. Then just go on and continue trace. Now on this endpoint, just while using the direct selection tool, click once. Using the pen tool, click once and again hold. Make sure you point on the end, on the other part of the line, then click once. So now you will have a close line or close path here. So it means you can put a base color inside, any color that you want. So for now we will leave that blank. Okay, Now we will create the tip. Okay, we can put uh, we will try a metal tip for now. And also we will put a hole in this part. Just make a circle like so. Then just to make it more a little bit realistic, just we go to effect, distort and transform, zigzag, preview, then adjust the size, adjust the regions per segment, relatively, adjust again, okay, until you have that realistic stitching effect on the edge of this hole that we have. So I think this is okay. Hit OK. Now put a solid block inside. Then make sure your drawstring is on the top of this hole. Then adjust this a little bit. Okay. Again, make sure this drawstring is at the top. Okay. To check if it's already on the top of this hole, put a solid color inside, so it's already at the top of this hole. Now we will create the, the the effect or the pattern of this drawstring. Okay, now just create a simple square like so, then remove the outline, and you can just color it in black or maybe white for now. Then duplicate, copy paste, or drag and shift to duplicate, drag shift and alt or option to duplicate. Now carefully rotate. Oh, we have duplicated. Carefully rotate that square and move at the top. Then remove the fill. Put black outline, okay, or stroke. The thickness, maybe we can yes, we can use 1 point. Now click using the direct selection tool, click on the both sides, shift, click one, shift, hold, then click on the second anchor point, then hit the cut. So we will remove this top, then we will again holding the shift key and alt, click, hold your mouse and drag down, then release at the same time. So click this, then click the blend tool, then click this second line again. Okay, click. So once this third line appear, click on the double click this blend tool, then click the preview, click the specific steps. Now put 5. So as you can see, you have duplicated lines. Now select this line, then go to object, expand. Okay, now while these lines are selected, hold the shift, then click the square at the back, then go to trim. Oops, sorry. Again, we need to expand this on the second time around. So go to object, expand. Okay, so make sure it will look like this. Okay, now while those are selected, hold shift, then click the square, then click the trim. Okay, now we will remove all these black lines. Then again, now you have to create a square. Okay, make sure it's aligned with the first layer, then arrange send to back. Okay, now oops, as you can see here, make sure to delete this. Now select both layer, then drag and drop here in the swatches area. Now go back to your drawstring, then click that once, then make sure this is on the top, then click fill. Okay, so we will adjust the size, so we will make it a little bit smaller, make it more realistic. Okay, then fill again. So now you have your okay drawstring. We will change that to black color. Okay, now if you want to change the color of your drawstring, just click this, make sure this is at the top, then double click this, then just change the color, any color that you want. Okay, then click done. As you can see, we have changed the color of our drawstring, and also change this base color. Okay, now select that and drag and just adjust the size. Okay, make sure it's in the center. Now drag while holding the shipping out again, then release, then hit the letter O, enter, vertical, okay. Now make sure it's this is center. So there you go, you have your drawstring or string chord made using Adobe Illustrator. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, if this helped you in a way, please consider to subscribe and click the notification bell for more video tutorials. Thanks guys.